This is a simple tutorial in labeling QTVR nadir side of the image. When we finish this tutorial, this is the outcome of this is the end result of our tutorial. First, we need a equirectangular panorama. We use the QTVR and GIMP software. We will now open our panorama. This is a 6000 by 3000 equirectangular panorama. We will now open our QTVR. We will drag and drop our panorama into QTVR. After doing that, we will convert our equirectangular panorama to 6 sides of a cube, because we are interested on the bottom portion of the image, so that we will edit that one. We can preview that our QTVR now. This is our nadir image. Converting now to 6 sides of the cube. Select cube bases, and our file name will be on TIFF. Now we have the 6 faces of the cube. This is the bottom portion of our image. These are the 6 faces of a cube. The bottom image. Now we will create our text for the nadir. Create, and then goes to logo and select text circle. We will now fill the text, whatever you want to write on the text. And I will use a radius of 250 and start angle from left side. So I will put -90 degrees. So 360 fill angle is 360, and for my font height is 40. Then I will use font of Sansbourg, and then click OK. You can use any text, any font style. This is the outcome of the text, and then use Ctrl L for the layer link window. This is our layer window. Our objective here is to remove the background, so click that one, and then save this file. Write the file name, and I will save this with the file type of TIFF. Words, and then export. Save. Okay, we are now save our text. Now we'll open our text and then copy and open our nadir image and then paste it. This is the outcome of our nadir. You can change also the opacity of the text and then save. After saving, we will go back to our QTVR and drag and paste the nadir image. And then make an output. This is our end QTVR, the finished QTVR. See, we have a nadir label.
Anong malyari mo pinakadala ka Piso ni Ella mamalyari Adwak na mong may sabi Ikaw ko ramda ka Pilang beses ko lang sinabi Ikwayo nang may gawani Ikwayo may kalas Ikwayo na rin na sila Ipuso ay alas Sinapag niya mong
This is our end result.
Hindi na nasukat At sa panayati Yung balo mo sana
Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you will learn something about this very simple making label of QTVR.